Hello guys, in this video, we'll guide you through how you can increase your Capital One credit card limit. So stick around to the end to increase your chances of succeeding in doing this. Here are 5 ways you can do this. Keep your financial and personal information up to date. This is important as federal regulations require that credit issuers use up-to-date information when considering an account for a credit limit increase. Pay monthly statement on time. Having a prompt payment of your monthly loans is vital to improve your payment history. This indicates that you're using credit responsibly. If you're having problems with being organized and on time, consider using an automatic payment or electronic reminders to help you stay ahead. Pay more than the minimum on your credit card bills. It is a good idea to try to make more than the minimum payment whenever possible. Doing so can help you save money on credit card interest and improve your credit utilization ratio. Review your credit card reports for errors. You can get free copies of your credit reports from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. For example, you can visit annualcreditreport.com to learn how. Take some time to make sure your information is current and up to date. Take steps to correct the error on your report. And lastly, monitor your credit. You can use a tool like CreditWise from Capital One to keep your eye on your credit. With CreditWise, you can access TransUnion Credit Report, VantageScore 3.0 credit score without hurting your scores. This also helps you ensure your accounts remain secure, catch any potential fraud or errors on your credit report. You can also explore the potential impact of your financial decisions before you make them with the CreditWise simulator. CreditWise is free for everyone, even if you're not a Capital One card holder. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.